Hello and welcome to Patrice's Projects. Again, it's not a true project, but it is something that I wanted to record because it is puzzling to me. I received some mail today, and one of them is a late Christmas card, but better late than never, from my daughter. And this is the only card that I got of my puppy, my grand turtle. My kids don't send me pictures of the kids. I want pictures of my grandkids. But hey, grand puppy and a grand turtle is better than nothing at all. Thank you, Shy. And I noticed, though, the picture of you and Christian. That must have been an excellent photo. Oh, I can't see it. Glare? Okay, the glare is too much. Maybe you can see it there? Must have been an excellent photographer. It kept washing Christian out. Maybe it's just the shine in the photo. But that wasn't the only piece of mail I got. I received a package, and this is what puzzles me. It's written to, or it's sent to, Patsy Thrash. Patsy is the name that my father gave me as a child, and I went by that name for most of my life up till about 15 years ago. So there are certain family members that still use that name. So it's shipped to Patsy Thrash from Jess. Oh, Thrash is my maiden name. And I have a son named Jesse. He usually goes by Jesse, not Jess. And I'm pretty sure if he mailed me something, it would be to Patrice Chancellor or even Mom. I have a niece-in-law named Jessica Thrash, and she calls me Patsy, so it could be her, but I usually call her Jessica. I think she goes by Jessica more than Jess. And then there is Jess and Maya Jess, who I actually know them more so through Jessica Thrash and her husband Charlie. They lived in Arkansas and were very good friends with Jess and Maya. So, or, one more, I have a stepdaughter named Jessica, but I highly doubt it's her because even though she knew me as Thrash, she always knew me as Patrice Thrash, not Patsy. So that one's out. The others are still viable options. And I'm going to open my package and try and figure out who this Jess is. So I'm pretty sure it's Jessica Thrash or possibly Jess from Roots and Refuge Farm. So we'll open it up and try and figure this out. And it doesn't help on where it's from. Well, it seems like it's from some, it says the only information is Duluth, Georgia. No one lives in Duluth, Georgia, so that doesn't help there either. So let's try and figure this out. Okay, I have no idea still what it is. And I still don't know. I guess I need to open it, so. Oh, sorry, this is taking a while. These things are pretty hard to cut. I should have brought scissors. So, last one. I just hope I don't accidentally cut the pack, or what's inside of the package. All right. So, it's something in a zippered contain or pouch package. let's see. I know exactly who it is. You got me, Jessie. I almost ordered a whole set of stuff to go for the GoPro. I was just now telling Ian, like not even an hour ago, I need the head mount and chest mount. So, very good, Jessie. It's a whole entire kit of things to go with the GoPro. I am so excited to start using it. The reason I wasn't using it is because I didn't have any way of holding it while using it other than to hold it in my fingers like this. So I am so excited. Thank you so much, Jessie. You got me on that. I had no clue. Merry Christmas to you too. I love you. Thanks for watching, everyone. I'll talk to you later. Bye. Now to go play with all this stuff. Man, this is a big kit, too. It's got everything in it. So excited. Oh, hoo, hoo. This is going to be handy. Now I can hold it in my hand. Not only that, but if it's strong enough, I could use it for my little camera and everything. That's awesome, because I can use it as a handheld device too, you know. Perfect. Thanks. Bye. That's a ton of pieces and parts. Here's things like to attach it to your dash and other surfaces. Here's a piece that looks like that is a section one for a flat surface. I don't know, but it's got Velcro on it, whatever that is. And this way, if I'm ever jet skiing, oh wait, I don't have one. Oh, but Jessie, you do. Then it won't go underwater. And that's either a head or chest mount. And this is most likely a chest mount. No idea. I hope it comes with an instructional book. I don't see one. These are more things to slide, to attach them to a surface and slide it on and hook it. Oh. And this is to hold it like this, or you can attach it to something else. I saw this. I can hook it onto this, or is there a stick? Oh, there is. Okay. The selfie stick you can attach it to. Man, this has a lot of stuff. I'm going to have fun playing with all this. Okay. There's no instructions. I'm going to go figure all this out.